Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fields for invoices in Zoho Books. This is incredibly useful when you need to capture specific information that isn't included in the standard invoice template, like project codes, purchase order numbers, or any other data unique to your business workflow. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once you're there, log into your Zoho Books account using your username and password. This will take you directly to your Zoho Books dashboard where you can manage all your accounting tasks. Now, once you're on the home screen, look at the top right side of your interface. You'll see a gear icon, which is your settings menu. Click on it to access all your configuration options. This is where you'll find the tools to customize how Zoho Books works for your specific needs. In the settings menu, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Type in Invoices here. Several results will appear, but you want to click on the one labeled Invoices under the Sales tab. This will direct you to the Invoices customization menu, where you can modify how your invoices are structured and what information they collect. Once you're in the Invoices customization menu, look at the top navigation bar. You'll see an option called Fields Customization. Click on it. This section displays all the fields currently used in your invoice creation page. Now, at the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a button labeled Plus New Custom Field. Click on it to start creating your custom field. You'll now be on the new custom field creation page. Start by entering the label name, which is what you'll call this field, and select the appropriate data type from the drop-down menu. Depending on which data type you choose, additional options will appear. Fill in the help text field to provide guidance for users who will be filling out this field later. This helps ensure consistent and accurate data entry. Next, you'll see options for data privacy. Check these if you need to enable PIR EPI protections. Below that, you can enable prevent duplicate values if you want to ensure each entry is unique. Click the drop-down arrow on the Input Format section to see sample formats that are allowed in this field. If you want a default value to appear automatically, fill in the default value field. Finally, check the radio button if you want this field to be mandatory for every invoice and shown in all PDFs. Once you've configured everything to your needs, click on Save. Your custom field is now added and will appear in your invoice creation process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.